Hello everybody and welcome back. So what I'm doing right now is actually standing at the doorway of my university house, about to enter and give you guys a tour. Now I live with 6 people, so this is going to be interesting. You guys are going to see how big my house is, what I'm kind of living in for the next year, 2 years. I'm going to introduce you to some of my roommates and let's get started. Alright, so here we are. Here's the shoes, here's, basics. You walk in right away, you have a kitchen. So essentially, we actually just did a huge cleaning today, which is why I decided to actually do the vlog. Decent sized kitchen, dishwasher, microwave, oven, all the standards, full size fridge. I'll give you guys a tour of kind of the whole upstairs aspect first before I talk about like all the downstairs stuff where most of the rooms are. So this is our kind of main living area. I'll give you a quick pan. We have a dining room table that one of our roommates brought. We have, a printer, actually a deep freeze here because we can't fit all our frozen stuff in the freezer. And yeah, pretty standard. It's a pretty big living room for a university house. Like we have an Xbox, we have some decorations, TV, couches. Yeah, flag, that's my flag right there. Just showing you guys, what to expect. This is a much bigger university house than most other houses. So there is a lot of room for the 6 guys that are in here. So we actually have 3 washrooms in this house. This is washroom 1 for the 2 guys that live upstairs. I'm gonna give you a quick intro to both of them. First roommate is Dennis. Dennis, say hi. This is Dennis, he's roommate number 1. You can see his cool LEDs. Next, we're gonna see Aaron. So Aaron is over here. Aaron, say hi to the camera.
Hello.
Aaron's roommate too. These guys share the upstairs bathroom and kind of the upstairs area. Here's actually, and I'll show you this because I am a tech channel, where we have the router stored. So under this really sketchy cabinet, you can see we have all these wires and crap that I had to deal with when we moved into this house originally. Now I'm just gonna go down the staircase. We have a side door like that. Some kind of cool decorations that the guys downstairs set up. So some jerseys. In Canada, hockey's pretty big in case any of you don't know that. And now we're going downstairs. This is Connor number 1's room. This is Connor number 2's room. And now to the best part of the house in my opinion, which is the downstairs living room, where we can see both the Connors chilling. Say hi to the camera, boys.
Hello, guys. Hey, guys.
And what are you guys watching? Darts?
A little bit of darts.
Nice. Nice decorations, LEDs. The best, most attractive couch I've ever seen. We lifted that here. Yeah. And now time to go to kind of my area of the house, which is over here. So this is one of my roommates' rooms, Carter. There's Ashley, his girlfriend. And now we're into my room, and I'll give you guys a quick tour. I know you guys are probably interested in this. So yeah, this is kind of the whole Tech with Tim setup. I think I've probably shown this in some videos before, but I have, my big PC. I usually have a laptop in here. It's not there right now. Closet, bed, laundry, and all of that jazz. Yeah, so there is 2 more washrooms that I didn't show. So I'll show you one more. This is, I think someone's in there, so I won't go in that one right now. But this is now the second staircase, just upstairs. Essentially the way this house works is there's 2 levels, 2 staircases, so one at the back and one at the front. And yeah, that is kind of my university house. I know you guys, I am not the best vlogger by any means, but I figured to get a quick video up kind of before Christmas to show you guys what I've been kind of living in the past, year, to give you an idea of what a university house is like. Now I will say that this house is definitely much bigger than most other university houses. Most places don't have 2 stories, they don't have a whole house. We do have a unit above us, so there is, I think, 4 guys that live up there. And then, yeah, the rest of us just live. There's 2 bedrooms up here, 4 in the basement, 1 washroom upstairs, and then 2 downstairs. But overall, this is a pretty good place. I enjoy living here. All my roommates are nice. You guys met them as I kind of went through there. And yeah, that's pretty much all to show you guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video and you want more kind of vlog-like stuff, let me know. I'm always down to just pick up the camera and walk around and kind of talk to people and film stuff. And yeah, with that being said, if you guys enjoyed, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what you think of my 6-person university house.